Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 76 Designs. So today we are starting a new series on how to earn money online via a great website that is obviously called Freepik. So, in this series we will try to cover all topics from how to open a contributor account, how to prepare and get your design approved against quality standards. Stay connected with us, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, and you can also refer your friends if you like our content. So we are starting with intro of Freepik. Freepik is actually an online platform where you can find variety of digital assets including graphic templates, like logo design, business card, invitation card, social media post, etc., vector and illustrations, mock-up templates, fonts, digital arts, etc. Not only you can download free and premium resource from this website, but you can also upload your work and earn attractive amount of money in the form of passive income. All you need to do is create quality work and upload it here on your contributor profile, or before showcasing on your profile, the quality team review your work, and after approval it is uploaded on Freepik resource gallery. So once it is uploaded, the people can download your resource and you get a certain amount of money per downloads. Feeling excited to open account on Freepik? Yes. We will learn about opening shop on Freepik in our next video.